I am Sharon Tinberg, owner of Rags to Riches and producer of Core House Cleaning Training videos. Today I want to chat with you about the value of a house cleaning training video in your company. Any house cleaning training video. It doesn't have to be mine. Although at the conclusion of this video, some of you might decide, for right now, mine is the only choice you have. That being said, for the next 7 minutes, I just want to discuss the necessity of using a house cleaning training video in your company. The first reason to use a video, especially in our current contagious virus environment, is that it is so accessible. Your new trainee can watch it from anywhere there's a laptop or a PC, as long as your training video is online. Even if you do your own classroom training in-house, why not have a new hire, new to this industry? For example, waitresses are a great market to go after right now. They aren't, unfortunately, essential. Have them watch the video before they even come into your office for the first day of training. Watching a video will automatically bring your new hire into your office with some idea of how a home is cleaned professionally. They will have some idea of what to expect, which will automatically make it easier for them to relate to what you are training in-house before you step into a home. Everyone also learns at a different rate. And if you feel that this person could benefit by watching the video again, they can do it at a social distance. They can also watch it at their own pace, repeating a portion until they understand it. The second reason to use a cleaning training video is it offers better engagement. We've all heard someone say, "Why read the book when you can watch the movie?" People just enjoy videos. Hopefully you're watching this one right now. They enjoy it more than learning through reading. If you want your employees to engage in your training, you need to make it interesting and fun. Videos are much more likely to keep your new trainee engaged than basic text documents or even a trainer lecturing live. Reason number 3 you should be using a house cleaning training video as a part of your training process is to increase retention. When you spend time and money to train someone, you would prefer that they remember what they learned. People tend to remember only 20% of what they read compared to 80% of what they see and then do. Which is why I highly recommend as soon as they watch a training video, for example, the kitchen, they go out and clean a kitchen before they watch the bath and the dusting. Reason number 4 you should use a house cleaning training video is everyone gets the same experience, the exact same training. If you have one trainee trained by a trainer or working trainer in particular, and another trainee trained by a different trainer, those two trainees will not have the same learning experience. And anyone who knows me knows my key focus is a repeat client base, which I believe is driven by consistency. One of the best ways to ensure that your clients receive the same experience every time their home is cleaned is to have a video that covers the exact same appropriate cleaning procedures utilized to clean a home in your company. And every cleaner follows those procedures, especially your trainers. Reason number 5 to use a house cleaning training system, and perhaps the most important reason, is impressive onboarding. Companies that have a well-executed onboarding process have a higher job satisfaction rating, greater organizational commitment, and an average employee retention rate of 86%. It just goes to show how a great first impression can really make a difference. So now, hopefully, you've been engaged in this video and you know all the great reasons to use a house cleaning video for a new hire training, and you're possibly even excited to get started using the video. But which one should you use? Actually, any video that has a professionally trained house cleaner following a consistent process showing you how to clean each area, dusting the kitchen and the bath, will be a great starting tool for your training program if you're not using a video now. Mine does include a special module on administrative items that can cost you client before the cleaner ever even actually picks up a cleaning cloth. Things like alarm codes and how to deal with pets and greeting the client. But what you must have are the three basic areas: dusting, kitchen, and the baths being demonstrated. If the training video does not match your cleaning procedures exactly, and it probably will not, simply point out the differences. I have used the same training video in every one of the 50+ offices I trained in. Some of those offices were green as green could be, water cleaning, and some actually used straight bleach. That wasn't the point and isn't the point of a training video. The real point of any generic house cleaning training video is to teach process, top to bottom, around the room, cleaning everything as you pass and only passing once. That is process. Sounds simple, but it's not as easy as it looks. That's why cleaners miss things, which is 50% of your complaints. Not the quality of the cleaning, they missed it completely. Process is important, and it is much easier shown than to read about it. Procedure is what action and product you want your cleaners to use. And I did not find any two owners who wanted to use the exact same products, tools, and actions. That's why we're called entrepreneurs. We all want to do it our own way. But we do all agree on the process, top to bottom, around the room. Using a house cleaning video is like anything else we do in our businesses. It would be great to start with the perfect training video, but the perfect training video evolves. You do need to start someplace now until you have the perfect cleaning video. I know some house cleaning companies that are not enjoying the benefits of training videos because they want to make their own. They've been saying they want to make their own for 10 years now, since I met them. Well, 12 years now. And they probably won't do it for the next 10 years. I was in my 19th year before I dabbled at making my first video, but I certainly used a training video as soon as I found one 3 years into my business. It didn't even include long dusting. And long dusting is something that's extremely important to me. I feel it needs to be done every single time you visit a client's home. I just went over the differences with the trainees when they got done watching it and told them what they needed to add and change. And that's what I'm recommending you do. Don't wait until you can make the perfect video. You may never get there. And there is one last thing that can deter a company, especially a startup company, from using a house cleaning video, and that is price. If you can't afford it, then you can't use it, and it can't help you. So I will submit to you that the number one factor in choosing a training video will be, what can you afford? And for that reason, and how important I think a training video is, I have decided to open up a program called Equal Access. It is a monthly membership program that will give you access to the 5 core training modules in English and in Spanish for $14.99 per month. I realize money is tight right now, but for all of the 5 reasons I just covered and many more, you just simply have to have a training video. $14.99 makes it possible for every cleaning company with 1 to 100 cleaners to use this necessary tool as part of their training process. There really is no reason to delay. Start saving time, money, cleaners, and clients today. Visit SuccessMadeEasy.com and search for Online Equal Access, or use the link provided below to learn more about this offer and view some samples. Or go purchase another video. Like I said at the beginning of this video, It doesn't matter whose video you use, you just need to use one. This is a move that you will never regret, but could keep your company from reaching its next step. Thanks for watching and good luck with that video.